kitchen. My name is Marie. Tonight is spaghetti night, and I'm going to show you how I make my juicy, yummy spaghetti. So let's get started. Okay, I have my spaghetti ready to go. I have my spaghetti sauce, some ground beef, my sausage, some anchovies, and then my spaghetti, of course. So let's get started. We're going to start. First, I'm going to make the sauce. So I'm going to prepare a sausage sauce with the anchovies and the ground beef and onion, and so we can be prepared for the pasta. Okay? All right, let's get started. First, I'm going to start cutting up the sausage. Let's cut it in julienne. For no reason, of course, but I just like to cut it this way. I'm going to use like 3/4 of the sausage. Okay, that should be enough. Okay. So I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Let's put 2. How about that? Okay, there you go. And we're going to start frying the sausage. We're going to let each side fry for 3 minutes until it's golden, until each side is golden, of course. Okay. First step. I like to use a fork to turn them over. I find it very easy for me. So we're going to turn them over one by one. See? I flip it one by one. All right. We're going to turn them over, continue turning them over. They look beautiful. All ready to go. All right. So then we're going to add our anchovies. Okay. We're going to add our ground beef. I'm going to add some tomato hot sauce. I'm going to add some pepper sauce. Not too much though. Although my kids like pepper. I love a little bit of pepper, but not too much though, because I made this sauce over the summer because I grew peppers in the backyard. And so what I do, I prepare a lot of hot sauce. And so I use it year round. Onion. Okay, we're going to cut our onions just like so. And I like to slice them in half. I'll put all the onions. And I slice them in half. Next we're going to add our sweet pepper for more taste. I'm going to chop it a little bit. I don't want it to be too overwhelming in the sauce. Okay, we're going to add that. Now we're going to season the sausage. We're going to add about half a teaspoon of Lorry season. Okay, now we're going to reduce the fire a little bit. We're going to start adding our sauce. I'm going to put the whole jar though. But I put half now. Let the sauce simmer a little bit. In the meantime, we can boil our pasta. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. We don't want to put too much salt because we have the anchovies already in the sauce. So we're going to add our pasta just like that. We're going to put it right in the water. Yeah. I'm going to flip it a little bit, just like that. Put it in a pan. Ready? Our pasta is boiling. And I like to use some of the pasta water and put in the sauce a little bit. Okay. You don't want the pasta to stick together, so you can shake it a little bit from time to time. Okay, for the first 2 minutes, of course, and after that, it'll be fine. So it look good. Okay. Alrighty, we're gonna let it boil for about, let's say, another 5 to 7 minutes. Not too soggy. I don't like my spaghetti to be soggy. And we're gonna let it boil for another. So I'm gonna add some more sauce, some more spaghetti sauce. So it can be very saucy, very creamy and beautiful. I don't like when the sauce is dry. My children don't like when it's dry. They like to see a lot of sauce. It's looking good. It's almost ready to go. Let me lower the fire. Okay, we're ready for the pasta. Our pasta is boiling. Yes. Our pasta is boiling beautifully. Let's check one more time. Let's see. Everything is well apart. It's not stick together. This is how you want to see your spaghetti. Just like that. See? Fluffy like that. Alright. Let's give it another 3 minutes. And our pasta is ready. Ready to be served. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, we're gonna serve out. And my pasta is ready. It's ready to be served. So I like to serve it like that. I'll put it in the center of the plate. This is my plate, of course. Okay, this is my plate. Okay. And then we're gonna put the sauce. This is the sauce right there. Still bubbling. Let me turn off the fire. I like to serve my spaghetti like that. It is beautiful. The sausage. Put some sauce, some more sauce. There you go. And there you have it. So I like to serve my pasta with some garlic bread. And of course I'm gonna throw some Parmesan cheese over. This is my plate. And then it's beautiful. And there you have it. And then we're gonna put 2 slices of garlic bread next to it. And this is my pasta. This is my pasta. Beautiful. This is pretty. This is my pasta. Okay, so I'm ready to taste it. Okay. It's beautiful. Mm. Mm, mm. This is yummy, beautiful, and tasty. If you like the video, you can click the like button and then subscribe for more recipe, for more dinner ideas. If you like the video, you can click the like button and also you can subscribe for more dinner ideas.